everyone, and welcome to another exclusive interview by Financial Insight. My name is Mwelwa, and we're currently at the Sarova Hotel, where we've witnessed something amazing for Zambia Sugar. Yes, if you've been following the news recently, Zambia Sugar announced through a SINS announcement, as well as various media publications, that they had now reached a market capitalization of $1 billion. And with me to tell me a little bit about this monumental moment, as well as the event that we've witnessed just this morning, is our good friend Oswald Magwenzi, who is the CEO of Zambia Sugar. Oswald, it's great to see you again.
Good morning, Mwelwa. Thank you for having me.
It's always a pleasure to actually speak to you, and congratulations, I must say, on this monumental milestone. Obviously, the bell ringing is symbolic for the Lusaka Securities Exchange. We heard from the board chair talking about how it was only a matter of time, but they didn't expect it so soon. How excited are you and the management team, regarding getting to this particular point?
We are really excited about this monumental achievement, and also proud that just after our 60th anniversary, we've now managed to achieve 1 billion market capitalization. This shows that we are a resilient and sustainable company. So we're very proud of this moment, and we owe it to all the management teams that came before us, the legacy of many management teams, the support of our customers, our shareholders, our stakeholders has really brought us to this moment.
Absolutely. Now, one thing that you've talked about a lot is the importance of sustainability. We understand that Zambia Sugar has implemented several strategies. You're currently implementing your current, strategic plan. How important has it been sticking to the strategy in order to achieve the sort of growth that the company has enjoyed over the years?
Yeah, so as a company that is founded on natural resources, sustainability is critical. We need to be able to achieve our objectives without hurting the environment, and also we use land, water, energy, which are all key resources that have to be managed on a sustainable basis. We have created an environmental sustainability and governance strategy, ESG as it is commonly called, and we are busy executing that. Particularly on the environmental aspect is the issue of water and climate change. So we are investing in making ourselves climate resilient, and also to use water and land resources efficiently. We've introduced a new farming system which allows us to improve soil health, and that ensures that we'll continue to produce sugarcane today, but not compromise the ability of future generations to do the same. Socially, we are focusing on making sure that we continue to make a contribution in the communities in which we operate. We're a good neighbor, we are welcome by what we do, and also for our employees, which is part of our social agenda. We continue to invest in things like health, we support education programs, and we are currently implementing a housing upgrade program to make sure that our employees live in decent accommodation. And all these investments are part of the S of the ESG. And in terms of governance, we are listed on the Lusaka Securities Exchange, and we comply with all the rules. We also are part of the Associated British Foods Group, which is listed in London, and we comply with the governance requirements of that as well. So we continue to stretch the boundaries in terms of governance, and whatever comes which is new, we make sure that we continue to be a well-run and well-governed company into the future.
Right. Now, when it comes to getting signals, from the environment regarding, how the company's performing, or more rather, how people perceive the company. With the valuation of $1 billion now being reached, what sort of signal has that sent to you in terms of the confidence that you feel stakeholders have in the company?
Yeah, so I think as I said in my remarks this morning, the market responds to performance, and not just performance but consistent performance. But they also look at fundamentals of the company. We have the fundamentals to continue to do well. And we are among the best in terms of sugarcane production. We achieve yields that are comparable to the best in the world. We are in the top 10 lowest cost producers of sugar. We have got a robust brand, White Spoon brand, a very comprehensive product portfolio, which meets the needs of all our different consumers. We still have a lot more to do in the future, and I think that the response from the market and the confidence that has taken us to a market capitalization of US $1 billion reflects an appreciation and recognition of our consistent performance, our track record, but also our future prospects.
Absolutely. Oswald, thank you so much for sharing your insights.
Sure.
And congratulations yet again from me and my team at Financial Insight.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
So you've heard it for yourselselves. We've been speaking to the Chief Executive at Zambia Sugar. So stay tuned as we continue to speak to other key stakeholders on the sidelines of the bell ringing 2026 for Zambia Sugar's $1 billion market capitalization.